My name is Bill Tucker. I'm the CEO of Omicron, and we have a multidisciplinary company of architecture, interior design, engineering, construction, and development. Yeah, so AI in real estate and construction today, you can probably point to a few key areas where we've really seen an impact already. And the first being really our ability to make decisions and make decisions more quickly. I'm sure everyone who's used any form of AI, large language model, realizes that you can extract information at a ferocious rate. You can do research at a ferocious rate. And I think that that's really helping us with the speed up of decision making and hopefully making better decisions in terms of that process. Maybe a second one and quite specific to parts of our business is our ability to iterate design more quickly. So we're able to take a concept and then look at it, go deeper, and really help envision the project in a better way. And I fully expect that to get better and better over time. Maybe the third one is our ability to bring some efficiencies, operational efficiencies, to our current delivery of design, construction, development services. That really relates to the fact that, and everyone's seen this, you can write a letter now in blistering speed. We can automate our workflows more quickly using the tools that are available to us today. So that's really helping us with that operational efficiency. But I will say, everyone's talking about this human in the loop. I think it's really important for people to understand that what it's going to do, at least our goal in our company, is to take our people and help them with this tool be way better at their job. Right? Be able to do more in terms of, we're not looking at as a way to get rid of half our staff. We're looking at it as a way to really augment the person and get them even more productive than they are today. Yeah, so AI and its influence over the next 3 to 5 years, boy, we're just trying to understand where this whole tool can actually go. Maybe it's a whole new way of living and doing our business. But for sure, over the next 3 to 5 years, we do see it as a completely integral part of our design process, being able to compress timeframes. And time is money in our industry. So I think that's going to be a key and critical item. I'm not sure we're going to see it in that period, sort of job site performance. We're seeing all this robotics and whatnot. I think that's in the next wave, maybe the 5 to 10. But in the 3 to 5, everything from security on sites to the way we produce our documentation to the automation of our workflows. I think AI is truly going to impact all of it, and ultimately we're going to gain an optimization and efficiency in the projects that we deliver, because we're going to be able to test so many more things during the design process that then become a reality when we go to build. So the adoption of I think we're all struggling with this notion that AI is, some kind of tool that we apply. And I think we have to reverse our thinking on that. I think where the opportunity is really to step back and look at our business and look for problems or opportunities to gain efficiency. So I think the opportunity is to find out what the problem is, identify the problem, and then use this collection of amazing tools powered by AI to help us solve those problems, as opposed to thinking about it as we're going to adopt AI in our business. That's not it. I think you find the problems that you want to make better in your business, and you use AI to make those problems better. Not just how we build it. Okay, so I think that what we're all experiencing right now with AI, and I think it's just going to compound exponentially, frankly, is our ability to gather data and really make data-driven decisions, and using some of the AI tools to help us make those decisions. I think the reality is that we're going to create building systems that are way more efficient than they are right now. They're way more optimized. I think we're going to create spaces that are way more effective for people in the way they live. I think that we're also going to create, frankly, more flexibility in the spaces. It's going to help us envision things in a slightly different way so that spaces can become multiple things. You know, it's not just where you live, it might be where you work, it's where you play. And I think that that's all about understanding the data, understanding people's needs, and understanding how we apply all that to build and deliver a better product down the road.